Is it safe to reheat sushi rolls?
Hello, sushi lovers. Today, we're diving into a question that has puzzled many. Is it safe to reheat sushi rolls? Let's unravel the mysteries of sushi and find out whether reheating it is a good idea or a culinary faux pas.
What is sushi?
Before we get into the specifics, let's talk a little about what sushi is. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish typically made with vinegared rice combined with a variety of ingredients like raw or cooked seafood, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits.
Is it safe to reheat sushi rolls?
Now, coming back to the main question, is it safe to reheat sushi rolls? The answer is, it depends. Sushi with raw fish should ideally be eaten fresh, as reheating it could risk cooking the fish, altering its texture and taste. Moreover, it might not kill all the bacteria present, increasing the risk of foodborne illness. On the other hand, sushi with cooked ingredients, like eel, unagi, or some types of tempura rolls, can be reheated, as the ingredients are already cooked. However, reheating could still alter the texture of the rice and the overall taste of the roll.
How to safely reheat sushi?
If you decide to reheat your sushi, do so with caution. Here's a simple step-by-step method. 1. Remove any raw fish pieces from the roll. This is to prevent the fish from getting cooked during the reheating process. 2. Place the sushi on a microwave-safe plate. 3. Reheat the sushi in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, checking every 15 seconds to avoid overheating. 4. Allow the sushi to cool slightly before eating. Remember, the best way to enjoy sushi is fresh, but if you must reheat it, do so carefully to maintain as much of the original taste and texture as possible. In conclusion, while you can reheat sushi, it's not always recommended, especially for sushi with raw fish. The reheating process can alter the texture and flavor of the sushi and might not eliminate potential foodborne pathogens. If you find yourself with leftover sushi, consider enjoying it cold, as many people find this equally delicious. Remember, the ultimate goal is to enjoy your meal while ensuring it's safe to eat. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sushi adventures.